Alright, so when you button this up, basically put the cover back on. So there's that plastic piece right here that goes underneath here. And when towards the front, there's two plastic push rivets up towards the front up here. That's the one. That's the one that I broke when I took it off because I didn't realize they were there. So I broke one of them. So I bought some replacements, and up on this side is the screws. There are the two screws. So let's see. So the one with the bigger hole is where the plastic, I believe the plastic rivets are, and the smaller holes is the screws. I'll flatten this out a little bit. It's kind of pokey there. Okay, that looks good. Okay, let's try to put the screws on a little bit first. Oops. So I got my little stubby screwdriver here. Jeez, I didn't even take out this damn label. So this is a Japanese industrial standard screwdriver, JIS. Hosan, that's a Japanese brand. So anytime you work on Japanese brand stuff, you should use Japanese screwdrivers because they are different. It looks like a Phillips, but it's not. The geometry is different. So when you use a Phillips, you tend to strip the Japanese screwdrivers or the Japanese screw heads. So I get my Phillips, Japanese screw head or screwdriver. This one right there. There it is. I think that is. This one side. I'm not, it's not screwed all the way in. Just leaving it loose. Use it as a placeholder. This other side. Same thing. Just using it as a placeholder. So now let's take my rivet, my push rivets in. So I've got some new ones because I kind of busted the old ones up. Here's the push rivet. That's what they look like. This is how you put them in. You put them like so. Once they go in, then you push this. When you push this, it expands the outside here, right? Like so. Then now it doesn't go out. And for you to pull this out, you actually push this all the way in. As you push this center all the way in. Once it goes all the way in, it passes and this thing collapses again. So that way it's small. So that way you can pull this whole thing out. Once you pull the whole thing back out, to reset it, you have to get the center sticking out again. All right. So this is the part number for that, if you need that. Okay, so I've got one push rivet in there. Push it in. Other push rivet on the other corner. That in. Push that in. Okay, all right, it's not moving, so that's good. Now we just need to tighten up these screws. Somehow this doesn't feel right. This screw right here doesn't feel right. It feels like it's not aligned. Okay. So that's it. That's the bottom of your it's the bottom there. So now everything's in. You can see how it all looks. And the battery's like dying. I'm a little close there. Let me switch it to a different. There we go. Something a spotlight. A little bit more focus, but that's the bottom there. And you see where the light is. You see the push pin right there, the head of it, anyways. On that side and on this side as well. You can see the screws. So that's it. Oh, kid next door is playing the drums. I guess he's a drummer, I suppose. Let's look at this without the thing. There we go. So there's the light. Alright. Goes. So anyways, it's getting dark, so it's hard to see. But yeah, so thanks for watching.